Hey there, this is Alex with FileDrop, and today I have some updates for you. I want to start with our latest integration. We've integrated Airtable for the file request pages, and now you can export directly your responses to an Airtable base. It's really easy to implement, and you can filter what type of information you want to send from FileDrop to your Airtable base. We think this is a great way for a lot of users to create automations, to handle better their flows. And Airtable is really a popular tool that people use, and we want to offer them the chance to integrate with FileDrop as well and use it. We made some design updates to both the responses pages and to the settings as well, so they're a bit more organized. And another big update is the export to Excel. So now you can export all the responses from file request page, yeah, and also you can export by email address. This is a clever way to export the user's responses. So no matter what types of pages he added the responses, but these will all be included in one Excel file in each responses in their own spreadsheet. So go check it out if you are using Excel to manage the data. It will be helpful, I can assure you. We added some file manager features as well. We added some filters that allow you to better handle the files that were sent to you by the users. And of course, we managed to fix some bugs that you guys sent to us, and the app is now more reliable and more stable. If you have any requests for us, or you want to give us some updates, you wanted to share something with us, please give us a comment or reach us at the contact page. For anything, please visit getfiledrop.com and give it a go. Thank you. Cheers.